Hi, this is Michael, and this is my review of the ARCASMART 70. This is a multifunctional quick-release plate for cameras and smartphones, and it's made by Benro. This really was kind of expensive, but it has surpassed my expectations, and this is very useful. I really like it. First of all, let's just look at the quality of this. It's CNC machined from solid aluminum alloy. And it's also anodized, so it has a gray anodized protective coating on it. It has laser engraved optical center lines on each side, and the functionality of this is fantastic. So not only is it just your basic camera mount, it has a 1/4 by 20 camera screw right there. And what it does there is it screws into a threaded area at the one end of the camera plate, so you can see the threads in there. Now, if you need to move this to another position other than just at the end, simply screw it all the way in. And then once it's screwed in, then you can slide it to where you want. So then you can attach your camera at this point and tighten it. So that gives you this amount of flexibility. Now, if you're not really using that, then you just back it out until it's flush with the base. And then when you flip it over, you can just flip this little loop out of the way. And so that's if you're just using it as a camera mount. But where this really shines is this flips up, and then this flips up, and now you're able to put your smartphone in here. So you do have the flexibility to put your smartphone in here, and this is going to fit from 55mm to 85mm widths. So if your phone is any greater than 85mm, forget it, it's not going to fit in here. Now they also give you this little thing, which may not look like it makes much sense at the moment, but it does make sense. So when your smartphone is in your tripod, and just imagine your smartphone is in here, if you want to tilt your smartphone, two things. This has some rubberized inlays on the camera mount itself, but you can also move this like I just showed you, and then you can put this on that, sort of screw it on. And that allows you to now, this is actually an LED light, but let's just assume it's a smartphone. So when your smartphone is in here, you can then tilt it. And this is kind of like a stopper. So it's a little weird, it's a little funky, and actually I don't even think that I need that, because most of the times that I've used this, just the rubber pads that are on the bottom provide enough friction to prevent the phone from slipping. But it is there in case you need it. And then the absolute killer feature of this is it does have a cold shoe mount on the top, and that lets you attach a microphone or, you know, let's say you've got an LED light or something like that. So that is really cool. This just makes this little mount so useful for me. All right, here's my trusty tripod, and here is my mounting plate. First thing I'm going to do is screw down the thread so it's flush with the base. There we go. And now I'm going to put it into my mount. And I'm going to flip this up. Got my iPhone right here, and there it is. Now that I've got the cold shoe at the top, I can connect a microphone. Tighten it up. Or if I didn't want to use a microphone, if I wanted to use an LED, for instance, LED light of some sort, I've got a little LED light here. I can attach it to this adapter. And I can tighten this up, and then I can install my adapter. And there we go, and I love it. So it is a little pricey, but you get what you pay for. It's really quality. It's made very high quality, and I have no use that this is going to be something that I use quite often. for my smartphone to enable me to use my smartphone on my real tripod. And so that's about it. If you have any questions about this thing, let me know. I'll answer them if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Have a great day.